Now I'm going to teach you how to locate POI for the Garmin GPS, or points of interest. There's actually a couple different ways to do this, and I'm going to show you the most standard way, which is to go ahead and click on the Where To big button right there on the home page. And here you can see there's already some shortcuts, some pre-made shortcuts. You can obviously add more, but this is just showing restaurants, gas stations, and shopping. That's probably the most important points of interest, or the most common, I should say. You also have saved, other categories, saved, and recent points of interest over here. But if you go under categories, it's going to give you a lot more options for points of interest, such as banks and ATMs, rest areas, parking. Here, down here, you got medical care, transit such as airports, bus stations, different attractions, things like that, even hotels like lodging and stuff. So that's one way, and all you have to do is, like for banks and ATMs, is click on the button. It'll calculate all the nearest banks and ATMs, like here's a Wells Fargo ATM, it says. So that's just an ATM. If I want to find an actual Wells Fargo bank, I'd have to scroll down. Here's another one, 1.3 miles away is what this stands for, it tells you the direction. You can click on this. It'll give you a couple different routes to get there. Once you get your route, you select go and you're on your way. Another great way to search for POIs, or points of interest, is from using the voice command option. We've gone ahead and put in a voice command word, which is gobstopper, find place, subway. Okay, so it's given us a couple different options here. One. Two. Yes. I've just sort of memorized that whole sequence, but if you had your audio turned on, the lady would be asking you all sorts of questions like, do you want to run the route and stuff like that, and I just said yes. So now it's automatically calculated our route from our current position, where the little Star Wars ship is, the X-Wing, to go to that location. It's automatically calculated by using our voice. So that's another great way to find POI, points of interest, and in the voice command, which is gobstopper, you can see that it has just as many options. You can even search by category and by place, and you can go to recently visited POIs, or points of interest, as well.